Good morning students, welcome back. My name is Deepak and in this video we are going to learn about the topic that we have covered in our live class, that is fractions. So first we will begin with what are fractions. A fraction is basically a part of a whole. A fraction has two parts, that is a numerator and the denominator. If we talk about this fraction 3 upon 4, the 3 which is written on the uppermost side, that is the numerator, and the number 4 which is written in the down portion, which is the denominator. Okay, so I hope this is clear what is the numerator and what is the denominator. The upper portion is the numerator and the below one is the denominator one. Okay, likewise in the last one, if you can see 5 upon 9, 5 is the numerator and 9 is the denominator. Okay, now let's move to the types of fraction. The first type of fraction, first of all, we'll revise once again that what are types of fractions. A fraction is a part of a whole or a collection. For example, this circle over here, okay, you can see it over here. We can take it as even as a pizza, okay, a pizza that has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 8 parts. Okay, this pizza has 8 parts, out of which 3 you have eaten. Okay, you have eaten 3 parts of these. So how many parts have you eaten? You have eaten 3 parts of the total 8 parts. So this is basically how we represent a fraction. A fraction is represented as favorable outcome. It means the something which is shaded, right? It's going to say shaded portion upon total number of portions. So total number of portions are 8 and the shaded ones are 3. So the fraction, this would be written as 3 by 8. Okay, now there are basically 3 kinds of fractions as of now in your course. First one is proper fraction, second one is improper, and third one is mixed fraction. So let's begin with the proper fraction. What is a proper fraction? A fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator, which means the number which is written on the upper side is less than the below one. Okay, as you can see, it is written 3 upon 7. 3 is obviously less than 7, right? So this is a proper fraction. Okay, it means the fraction is less than 1. The whole fraction is less than 1. What is 1? If I would say 3 upon 3. Okay, if we will write it as 3 upon 3, we would get 1, as 3 would cut 3. Okay, wait, I'll show you with an example. Okay, so let's take an example as 4 divided by 4 upon 4. Okay, now it means there were 4 parts, out of which 4 you have eaten. Okay, or you have used the 4 parts. Okay, तो 4 में से 4 कट गए, we got 1. Okay, now this is basically a complete number. 1 is 1, right? It's complete. Okay, but if we talk about a proper fraction, in proper fraction, out of 4 parts, max to max you would be taking 3. Okay, otherwise if you are taking 4 by 4, it is 1, and if more than 4, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, then it would become an improper fraction, which is here. Now you will see a fraction whose numerator is greater than its denominator is called an improper fraction. In other words, an improper fraction is more than 1. Now we would see, for example, 8 upon 5 is an improper fraction. It's shown over here. How? Basically, you have 2 pizzas, I would say. Okay, in each pizza there were 5 parts, 5 over here and 5 over here. Okay, but the denominator is going to be 5 only. It is not going to be 5 plus 5 10. ऐसा नहीं होगा. The denominator is going to be 5 only. Okay, and the total parts, as you can see it over here, आपने एक तो पूरा खाया और जो दूसरा वाला था उसमें से भी आपने 3 parts खा लिए. So how many parts did you eat? 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 parts. और एक में कितने पार्ट थे? 5 parts थे, right? You ate 8 parts, बट टोटल एक में 5 पार्ट्स थे. इट मीन्स कि आपने एक से ज़्यादा पिज़्ज़ा खाया. ओके, दिस इज़ हाउ वी डू. नाउ एन इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन कैन ऑल्सो बी रिटन एज अ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. ओके, आई टेल यू व्हाट इज अ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन फर्स्ट. Look, an improper fraction can be written as sum of a whole number and a proper fraction. An improper fraction written in the form is called as a mixed fraction. For example, 2 whole 1 by 3. Let's take this number only. Okay, we'll write 8 upon 5 as a mixed fraction. Okay, we'll divide this number 8 by 5. Okay, 5 ones are 5 and we got the remainder 3. Okay, first thing you need to remember कि denominator change नहीं होता है, so we'll write denominator as 5 same. Okay, जो remainder होता है, the remainder जो होता है उसको हम लिखते हैं as a numerator 3. Okay, और जो हमारा complete जो हमारा quotient है that we'll write as a whole number. उसका मैं so 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. So in this manner we would represent 8 upon 5 as a mixed fraction. Okay, now let's talk about this exercise. It's written over here, classify each of the given numbers as a proper fraction, improper fraction and a mixed fraction. Proper fraction पता है जिसका न्यूमरेटर छोटा होगा डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा होगा, राइट. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन जिसमें होल नंबर भी गिवन है. ओके, एंड इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन जहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर जो है वो छोटा है और न्यूमरेटर जो है वो बड़ा है. ओके, यहाँ पर आई वुड से दिस 12/7 इज एन इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. आई वुड राइट आई पी इम्प्रॉपर. ओके, इन दिस मैनर. क्लियर. यहाँ पर भी इम्प्रॉपर, आई पी इम्प्रॉपर. ओके, कूल. Okay students, so your homework is to complete checkpoint number 1 of lesson number 5. This was all for today, and tomorrow we are going to continue with the second exercise, that would be checkpoint number 2. Stay home, stay safe. All the best.